Hello, lovely. This is Yasmin Boraji from Tiny Time Big Results. And today's episode, I want to talk to you about whether you should focus on one-on-one clients or whether you should get that online program up and running. So first of all, why should you focus on one-on-one clients? Well, first of all, that is the place for everyone to start. Irrespective of what you do in your business, the one-on-one work is really key because it enables you to see exactly how you're helping your clients. And the reality is that until you do this work, everything else is just really fuzzy. So first of all, working with one-on-one clients helps you to clarify your process and helps to clarify the work that you're doing and the results that you're helping your clients to create. Secondly, it's great for cash flow if you position it as a premium package. This means then that you're packaging a ton of value, not necessarily time, but a ton of value into a package and showing someone what they could achieve and what they could create. And when you have tiny time, a premium package is a fantastic way to leverage your time. And thirdly, it prevents that feeling of pressure when you are doing, say, a group program and you're thinking, God, I'd love to have 10 people on this group or 100 people. That can feel quite pressurized. Whereas if you're just doing one-on-one work, then you think, well, okay, I just need to find the next client and the next client. And so there isn't that added pressure. But on the other hand, an online program enables you to leverage your time really powerfully. So for example, if you used your online program and you did it as a group program and you had, say, 10 people in the program, and previously when you were doing the one-on-one work and you were spending, 10 times 1 hour each with each person, then that's a lot of time. But if you did a group program and you spent, say, an hour or two a week with them, like you're already saving, 8 to 9 hours every single week. So it's a fantastic way to leverage your time and also enables you to serve more people. From rather than one, you could have 10 people, you could have 20 people, you could have 50, you could have 100 people on your group program. So it does enable you to serve more people. So there is a time and a place, I believe, for an online program. But the question is, should you focus on one-on-one clients or should you focus on getting that program up and running? Well, do you know what? I actually don't think it's a simple black or white issue. I do this or I do this. It actually is a journey. Stick with me on this one, right? Because this is something that I've found over the years as I've been working in my business and refining my process and my methodology. What I found is that actually an online program is a really fantastic way for you to be able to encapsulate the work that you do. Because when you're doing the one-on-one work, you get to really a solid understanding of how you work, you get clear on all the nuances, and you also get really clear on what it is that your clients actually want from you. And often it can be very different to what's in your head. So that helps you a tremendous amount because it gives you that level of clarity. The thing is, it's not just, okay, I'm doing one-to-one, now I'm doing my online program, but it's actually a journey. Because what you could be doing is doing this work in tandem. So for cash flow, to keep you feeling, that you've got a solid base of consistent clients and income coming in, you stay focused on the one-on-one. Like until you have that nailed, I really don't want you to be kind of going off on a wild goose chase thinking I'll do X, Y, and Z. However, what you can do is continue focusing on getting one-on-one clients, but you can also work on creating that online program. And the work that you do with your one-on-one clients is going to feed into that. So it's not like you're doing more work. It's just helping you to get really clear on what it is that you are actually doing. And what that enables you to do is actually create a signature program that becomes the bedrock of everything that you do. And for me, I see this as a launch pad to enable you to create multiple streams of income in your business. So that signature program could become, your online group program. It could be part of the premium package, thus adding a huge amount of value to the package that already exists. You could turn that signature program into your book. You could turn it into a self-study course. There are so many opportunities. A workshop, it could be a mastermind. There are so many options that you can then pursue when you have that signature program. And this is what I do with my clients, is I help them to get really clear on what the process is that they're doing with their clients. And it really becomes about, what you want to be known for. Someone says, oh, you want to go and see Jane, or you want to go and see Elizabeth, what are they known for? And you want people to know you for what you want to be known for. And so this is where I think that you can actually do both. Focus on the one-on-one clients, keep that solid income coming in, because that will enable you to be far more creative. Creativity gets stunted when you're worrying about bills and money. So, keep focusing on the one-on-one clients. And, ideally, if you want to really leverage your time and really create generous revenues, then think of it as a premium package, and think about how you can create a premium package. But also then think about, okay, so I want to create a signature program that enables me to use that as a launch pad for multiple streams of income. And then you really can start to see how you can add more fuel to your business fire, and to see it grow and to see it really thrive. All of this in your tiny time. So I hope that's been useful for you today. I'm running a workshop. I'm going to post the link below on exactly talking about your online program and how to design your online program. So I'm going to post the link below so you can have a check out that workshop. But also, if you'd like my help and do this work and get your signature program up and running, and use it to really create an amazing premium package, then book your free tiny time triage call, which is a 15-minute call, just for us to be able to have a chat and see if this is the right step for you and if I'm the right person to help you. So I'm going to post the link for the tiny time triage call below as well. So over to you now. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think that you can do both? Have you ever thought about creating a signature program that could become the launch pad for other things? Not saying that you have to create all of the things that I said. It just simply gives you an idea as to the potential of your business. And that's exciting. And especially for a tiny time business, you're trying to run a business in less than 20 hours a week, then, having multiple streams of income will enable you to really create amazing revenues in your business. And so you can go and do all the other things that you want to do, like travel, spend time with your family, grow vegetables, I don't know, whatever it is that you want to do. All right, my lovely, I'd love to hear from you. So pop your comments below, or come and join me in the Facebook group Tiny Time Tribe, and I'd love to hear from you. All right, take care. Bye.